April Hong is up ahead of today's business headlines. April, car owners now have one less thing to worry about here.
Yes, John, they will no longer have to worry about having their warranties voided if they go to non-dealer authorized workshops, except in one situation. I'll tell you what that is when we return. Now, by the end of this year, car owners will be able to go to any workshop for repairs, and they won't have to worry that the warranties on their cars will be made void. It's part of a move by the Competition Commission of Singapore to root out anti-competitive practices in the automobile industry. The Commission announced today that all major car dealers have agreed to remove restrictions on warranties and related documents. Currently, owners have to service or repair their cars exclusively at the dealer's authorized workshops or risk having their warranties voided. But under the new changes, car dealers can only void car warranties or reject claims in one situation, and that is they must be able to establish that the defect to be claimed under the warranty was caused by the independent workshops. The Commission says the removal of these restrictions will allow a more competitive market for car repairs and servicing. And this would also provide more choices to car owners and opportunities for existing and new independent workshops.